Stop using basic text effects. Let's create smooth professional text animation in CapCut on Windows PC and level up your edits. So for that, first we have to open up our CapCut and create a new project. And here we have to import the clip where you just want to add captions. So go to the text section and drag in default text and type your caption. So right now it looks very basic, so let's style it. So we just start by changing the font to something that fits your video style. Then scroll down to the shadow option and turn it on. So now we have to use the setting as a clean starting point. So first, for the opacity, we have to keep it around 20 to 30% so the shadow stays soft. Now add a little blur at about 20% to avoid harsh edge and leave the distance close to 5 so the shadow stays subtle and not too far from the text. And finally adjust the angle to around -75 degrees so the light direction feels natural. And you can slightly adjust this depending on your background and text color until it looks natural. Now let's animate the text. So go to the animation and now under in, choose anything from here. I go for zoom in and adjust the duration from the slider below to control the speed. And after adjust it perfectly, go to the out section and choose zoom out or anything else, and again adjust the duration to match your clip. And once your first caption looks perfect, simply copy and paste the text layer for the next caption and replace the text and repeat this for the rest of your captions so everything stays consistent and smooth. So when you're okay, just preview your video and export it. Now you have got clean professional text animation in CapCut PC. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.